Imagine this. You're finally drifting off to sleep, when out of nowhere your leg seizes up in a sharp, gripping cramp. The pain shoots through your calf like a lightning bolt, forcing you out of bed in the middle of the night. For so many seniors, this is a nightly struggle. Painful cramps, stiff muscles, and the constant fear that the next one is just minutes away. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way, because the foods you choose every day could be the key to stopping these cramps before they even start. In this video, we're revealing 4 powerful superfoods that don't just calm your muscles. They help rebuild strength, boost circulation, and keep your body moving freely, no matter your age. And here's something you definitely don't want to miss. At the end of this video, we'll uncover the most common mistakes people make that silently trigger more cramps even when they're trying to eat healthy. So stay with me, because what you learned here could be the turning point your muscles have been waiting for. Eggs, the muscle repair powerhouse. When it comes to rebuilding muscle after a tough workout, few foods are as powerful as the humble egg. Packed with high-quality protein, eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscle tissue. In fact, the protein in eggs is considered one of the most bioavailable sources you can eat, meaning your body absorbs and uses it more efficiently than most other protein sources. That's a big deal when you're trying to bounce back stronger from every training session. But protein isn't the only thing eggs bring to the table. They're also rich in vital nutrients like vitamin B12, which supports energy production, and choline, which aids muscle function and nerve communication. Plus, the healthy fats in egg yolks help reduce inflammation, which means faster recovery and less soreness after exercise. For older adults especially, this can be a game changer, helping maintain lean muscle mass and keeping you active and energized. And let's not forget how easy and versatile they are. Whether you like them boiled, scrambled, poached, or whipped into an omelet packed with vegetables, eggs fit effortlessly into any meal. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can give your muscles the building blocks they need to recover and grow stronger with every workout. Here's the bottom line. Eggs might be small, but their impact is massive. Making them a regular part of your diet can dramatically speed up recovery, reduce muscle breakdown, and keep your strength progressing week after week. Think of them as tiny muscle repair machines. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Bananas, nature's electrolyte recharger. After a tough workout, your body isn't just tired, it's drained. Every drop of sweat carries away electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which your muscles desperately need to function properly. And that's where the simple banana becomes a post-workout powerhouse. Packed with easily digestible natural sugars, bananas quickly refill your energy reserves while delivering a huge dose of potassium to restore what you've lost. This 1-2 punch helps prevent painful cramps, muscle weakness, and the sluggish feeling that can hit hours after exercise. But bananas go even further. Their natural carbs help replenish glycogen, your body's stored form of energy, so your muscles recover faster and are ready for the next training session. This is especially important if you work out regularly or train intensely, because glycogen depletion is one of the main reasons your performance dips and recovery stalls. By adding a banana to your post-workout routine, you're giving your muscles the fuel they need to bounce back quicker and stronger. Bananas are also incredibly gentle on the stomach, which makes them perfect right after exercise when heavier foods can be hard to tolerate. And thanks to their natural fiber, they provide steady energy without spiking your blood sugar. For older adults, this can be especially valuable. Stable energy means you stay active longer and avoid the post-workout crash that often leads to skipping your next session. Here's the takeaway. Don't underestimate this simple fruit. A single banana can work like a natural electrolyte drink, rehydrating your system, reducing muscle soreness, and speeding up your recovery, all without the added sugar or chemicals found in sports drinks. Slip one into your gym bag, and you've got an instant recharge ready the moment you need it. Nuts and seeds, the anti-cramp snack. Muscle cramps can strike out of nowhere, especially after intense workouts or as we get older. That sudden sharp tightening can undo all your hard work and leave you sidelined. But the good news is, you can fight back naturally. And one of the simplest ways is by adding a handful of nuts and seeds to your recovery routine. These tiny powerhouses are packed with magnesium, a mineral that plays a critical role in muscle relaxation. When your body runs low on magnesium, muscles are more likely to misfire and cramp. Just a small serving of almonds, pumpkin seeds, or sunflower seeds can help restore those levels and keep cramps from interrupting your progress. Beyond magnesium, nuts and seeds are also rich in healthy fats and plant-based protein. That means they don't just prevent cramps, they actively support muscle repair. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts can reduce inflammation and sore muscles, speeding up recovery so you can get back to training stronger than before. This is especially helpful for older adults whose muscles take longer to bounce back after intense exercise. And the best part, they're incredibly easy to include in your diet. Toss them into a smoothie, sprinkle them over yogurt, or just eat a small handful as a snack. They're portable, shelf-stable, and perfect for refueling on the go. Bottom line, nuts and seeds are more than just a snack. They're natural muscle protectors. By calming your nervous system, fighting inflammation, and replenishing key minerals, they help keep your muscles loose, limber, and ready to move without pain. Greek yogurt, double-duty recovery fuel. When it comes to recovery, your body needs two things above all else: protein to rebuild muscles, and carbohydrates to restore energy. Greek yogurt delivers both in one creamy, convenient package, making it one of the most effective post-workout superfoods you can eat. It's loaded with high-quality protein, which gives your muscles the amino acids they need to repair tiny tears caused by training. At the same time, its natural lactose sugars provide just enough carbs to replenish your drained glycogen stores, helping you recover faster and get back to your workouts stronger than before. What really makes it stand out, though, is its richness in calcium. This mineral is essential for strong bones and proper muscle contractions. Yet many people, especially as they age, don't get enough of it. Adding a daily serving of Greek yogurt helps protect your bones while supporting healthy, powerful muscle movement. And thanks to its gut-friendly probiotics, it also improves digestion and nutrient absorption, so your body gets more out of everything you eat. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Top it with berries for antioxidants, swirl in honey for quick energy, or mix in chia seeds for an extra dose of fiber and omega-3s. It's a delicious, customizable way to give your body exactly what it needs to recover, rebuild, and stay active. Bottom line, Greek yogurt does it all: fuels your muscles, restores your energy, strengthens your bones, and supports your gut. It's not just food, it's a complete recovery system in a bowl. How to combine these foods for maximum impact? Eating these recovery superfoods on their own is powerful, but combining them the right way can transform how quickly your body bounces back. The secret is to balance fast-acting carbs, muscle-building protein, and anti-inflammatory nutrients so your muscles get everything they need at once. That's where your 4 recovery champions, eggs, bananas, nuts and seeds, and Greek yogurt, work together like a perfectly tuned system. Start your day with a power-packed breakfast. Scrambled eggs on whole grain toast, followed by a banana. The eggs deliver complete protein to rebuild muscle, while the banana quickly refills the energy your body burned overnight. Post-workout, go for a recovery parfait: creamy Greek yogurt layered with banana slices and a sprinkle of mixed nuts or seeds. This combo floods your muscles with amino acids, restores glycogen stores, and reduces soreness before it even starts. And for a quick snack, try a banana with a small handful of almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds. The natural sugars give an instant energy boost, while the healthy fats and minerals prevent muscle cramps and keep your energy steady. Rotating these 4 foods throughout the day creates a steady wave of recovery fuel, helping you recover faster, build strength consistently, and feel more energized every time you train. Common mistakes that block results. Even the best recovery foods won't work their magic if a few key mistakes keep getting in your way. And these are the pitfalls that quietly sabotage progress for so many people. The first big one is inconsistency. Eating these superfoods only once in a while won't create lasting results. Your muscles need steady fuel, not random bursts. So skipping meals or only eating well on workout days slows down recovery and keeps your strength gains stuck in place. Another silent progress killer is under-eating protein. A lot of people underestimate how much they need, especially as they get older. Without enough daily protein, your body starts breaking down muscle tissue faster than it can rebuild it. So even if you train hard, you stay sore, tired, and stuck. That's why foods like eggs and Greek yogurt are crucial to keep muscle repair running at full speed. Then there's poor timing, waiting hours after a workout to refuel. Your muscles are most receptive to nutrients right after training, and missing that window means slower recovery and more lingering soreness. A quick snack like bananas with nuts and seeds can make all the difference if you eat it within 30 minutes of finishing. And finally, don't overlook hydration. Even mild dehydration can trigger cramps, reduce performance, and stall recovery. Water carries all those nutrients to your muscles. Without it, everything else works half as well. Bottom line, eating the right foods is powerful, but only if you fuel consistently, hit your protein goals, refuel on time, and stay hydrated. Master these basics and your body will finally start rewarding you with the strength, energy, and recovery you've been working for. Your road to stronger, cramp-free muscles. So there you have it, 4 simple but powerful foods that can transform the way your muscles feel and function. Eggs to rebuild and repair tired muscle fibers. Bananas to recharge your electrolytes and calm overactive nerves. Nuts and seeds to reduce inflammation and boost circulation. And creamy Greek yogurt to flood your muscles with high-quality protein and calcium for stronger contractions. Together, these foods create a powerful daily foundation for strength, mobility, and freedom from painful cramps. The best part? You don't need expensive supplements or complicated meal plans, just smart, consistent choices every day. A breakfast with eggs and yogurt, a midday banana, and a small handful of nuts in the evening can do more for your muscles than most quick fixes ever could. If you've been frustrated by nagging cramps or slow recovery, this is your sign to reset and refuel the right way. Your muscles will thank you with more energy, less pain, and greater strength than you thought possible. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 4 superfoods are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple science-backed health tip from FitTech Health.